Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.
Friends, in this video we are going to see visualization toolbar in drafting workbench. So in this one we have 5 different commands. One is sketcher grid, another one is show constraint, display view frame, then filtered generated elements, then analysis display. So sketcher grid is nothing but same as how we will have it in the part model sketch. So if I click here, it will create the grids. So according to your requirement you can use this grid. So for this one what I am going to do is, so by using just I am going to draw one square at the center of this part. So using the grid it will be easy. And also if you want to arrange the dimensions in line, you can use this grid lines. So according to your requirement you can use this one. This is just for representation purpose. Next we will see the show constraint. Show constraint is nothing but, so I have drawn this box. For this one I have one constraint. By default it is created, it is perpendicular to this line. If I unhide it, it is not showing any. So this one also just for checking purpose. And then this one is display view frame. It is nothing but, if you click here you can see the view frame. So sometimes what we will do, we will highlight this one. I will remove this grid one. We will highlight it and we will create some dimensions here. So if you see, if I am moving this one, so just if I am adding some text, so just by mistake I am just adding some text to this one. But if you see, this was linked with this one, this view frame. In this scenario, if you want to have a control of your view frame, you can use this one to control the view frame. So for showing and hiding you can use this command. Next one is filter generated element. So you can able to see the line drawn. See, so I'm just double clicking it and I'm going to draw one circle at this center for any representation purpose. Like if I am going to add some hatch in this area, So for representation purpose I have added this circle. So if you want to cross check what are the dimensions, what are the profile created by from the part, or if it is created by the help of geometry, if you highlight this one, so what are the dimensions, what are the profile which is created, you can, it will highlight that one. So if you see, the circle is drawn manually so that it is having black in color. So next to comment is analysis display mode. So in this one we have, if we have any fake dimensions, so this val toolbar is diameter is 20. So just for representation purpose I have changed this value to 40 and I have applied. So in drawing it will have the dimension values of 40. So this is fake dimension. If you want to find out, if I click this analysis mode, so it will highlight the fake dimensions whatever available in the drawing. By using this command, the drawing checkers can check the fake dimensions. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.
Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.